Good morning, traders. Welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. So first of all, the weekly chart, as expected, 2 weeks ago we had a bullish candle, so we were expecting a push up into the candle high and open of 3 weeks ago. That's what happened, but the candle close of last week was right near the high, indicating that the bulls kept control till the end of last week, basically. So it looks like price will push further higher rather than making a bearish bounce. At first I thought that this bearish candle will hold and send price lower, but considering the last 2 weeks price action both being bullish, but specifically last week being such a strong bullish close, I think price is going to push higher, even higher, into 119, 119.25, 119.50, 119.75 here, this zone, and test the highs and wicks of the last few months. So that seems likely to me at this point. And looking at the daily chart, we also had a pretty strong daily candle close, pushing through the 21 EMA zone. So I think that the bulls are going to push this further, basically into that target zone. And we're also in a pretty nice uptrend channel. So far I think the bulls will push this higher throughout this week or next week. Probably this week, to be honest. HMA is up, and price seems to be making a retracement at this moment. This would only change, in my view. You can see here we had a retracement of red candles. Now we have a blue candle as well. If we have red candles or any candle closed basically below the 21 EMA low on the daily chart here and a close below 117.25, then I think that the bullish scenario and outlook that is visible right here, right now, is invalidated, and I think we'll see a bigger bearish correction, probably down to the 144 EMA, to be honest, here at 115, and this is probably an A, B, C in that case. But we really need to see a close below the support here, otherwise I think the bulls are in control. And you can see here a good bullish channel as well. Price breaking to the upside, now making a pullback, and I expect a bounce at these moving averages, the 21 EMA zone and the long-term moving averages as well, all providing potential support, plus the bottom of the bullish channel, of course, as well, plus the broken tops here that now could become support. So I think there's a lot of reasons why price might bounce. Of course, as I said, if it breaks through this 117.50, 117.25 zone, then it's not looking good for the bulls, and I suspect that the bears will take control, break, flag, and continuation in that case. If that happens. I don't expect that to happen though, and we had a lot of bounces here at the 144 EMA, and I suspect that will happen one more time. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it bounces sooner than that. I think that price will probably bounce, in my view, not lower than 117.80, maybe even here. And if it does bounce here or here, that's why I think it's the most logical. Then I think price will hit this resistance, make it dip down, and then we need a higher low, and then the next breakout should send this higher towards 119 and 119.25 for the moment. So the higher low, very important in my view, and then the second push here, key for the euro dollar upside. All right, pound USD. Let's see, plenty of space to the upside in my view to retrace this bearish swing. I should use red for that. So I think that there's plenty of upside remaining on the pound as well. And this, to me, also looks bullish. We got higher highs, higher lows. And I think that it's looking for a pullback. And we'll probably find support at the 21 EMA, 144 EMA, the long-term moving averages, and make a bounce and another higher low in this channel. So it's basically the same like the euro dollar. And also here, bullish candle above the 20 EMA, blue candle. So I think that this is looking like a retracement down to the 1 hour chart. And I think there's a fair chance that the price will also not really retrace too deep. This may be being the max, those tops now providing support. Plus we got this trend line coming in. So yeah, maybe into 129.75, but I think that this zone in my view, probably will hold, looking for, of course, bullish price action candlestick patterns, or a higher low after the bounce, pullback, higher low, and then a break. All of that, of course, bullish candlestick patterns, the higher low and the break after that could confirm the upside. And really, the bear is only, I think, possible taking control if we see probably a break of this trend line and the 21 EMA zone here. And that would be about, let's take a look, about 128.50 plus minus. By the way, one thing before you leave, if you are interested in automated trading, so that means fully automated means no manual intervention. That of course makes it a lot easier to trade the Forex markets because there's no time commitment, regular time commitment needed necessarily with those EAs. Specifically if you're trading the profit share model. Of course, if you rent EA, then you still got to make sure that the EA is running maybe once or twice a day. If you choose your own VPS, at least. If you choose Mislav's VPS, then that even that is not needed. But we got two EAs. Rush EA is the newest, with some impressive numbers and stats in backtesting and some decent numbers already in live trading as well. And Black Widow has also the London Open EA. So click on Learn More to find the LOA EA. That's the London Open EA from Nanette and Carlos. So two EAs, check them out if you like, of course. Otherwise, see you on Wednesday. Wish you good trading and a great week. Cheers.